Okay, so I'm back with this video here on how to remove the shift knob off this Chevy Impala, backed by multiple requests. So what you're going to want to do is turn the key on. Don't start the engine, just keep the key on. And you're going to want to shift it all the way down to first, or whichever gear will give you enough room. You're going to want to get Phillips head screwdriver, loosen this screw here. Don't lose it. Lost my screwdriver. Then once you get that out of there, this whole piece will just lift right off there. Now, ignore the mess in my car, but not really sure how you'd put on an aftermarket shift knob. Probably just the opposite, taking this one off. And depending on if it has a button or not, I'm not sure how that would work with this little rod there. Not sure if you need to put an OEM one on, or if you could get like an aftermarket one from your auto parts store, but that's how you remove it anyways.